How to remove an object from a photo in Google Photos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove an object or a background from a photo in Google Photos. Now if there is an object on your picture that you wish to remove from background or from your photo completely using Google Photos, then here is an easy solution on how you can do so. You can simply open up a Google Photos. As you can see, I've opened up Google Photos. You want to head into the picture that you want to remove an object from a background or from a picture, and here once you open up the picture, you can see you'll get list of options. You can see the share, edit, lens, and delete. You want to simply tap on the edit option. Once you tap on edit, what you want to do is here you want to see, you can see their suggestions crop, right? You want to tap on there and you want to swipe to the right and you want to head into the tools section, and on tools you can see the magic eraser option on the screen. You want to simply tap on it. Once you do so, Google will automatically suggest an object there. Now if you don't get it, what you can do is you can simply swipe your fingers on the screen and it'll automatically detect that particular object and choose it. Now I'll just select all here, suggest all. You can see suggestions found, erase all. I'll just select this particular object here, and once you do so, it'll be removed. You can see it works like a magic. So this way you can remove an object from a photo in Google Photos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.